So today we're gonna play showing you that the Nerf gun, the new Nerf gun is gonna be here. And I bought it today, so I don't get water with it.
Go play.
So here it is.
With Sonic.
Here it is right here. It's called the Nerf Super Smashers. Okay, so I want to show you the inside. So we're gonna open that.
No. You say no. No.
No.
No.
Okay.
You say
Now
no.
there's two Nerf guns. Give me
I'll
these.
help you. Let's go.
Look at both of them. Both of them. Okay, let's take a zoom out. Okay, now this blue one's mine. We haven't filled water with it, but guys, hit that like button or smash it and subscribe. I can only fill this up in the summertime, but I'm gonna make a video with that in the summertime. Okay, so guys, as you know, I'm sick. I'm very sick. So guys, do not come to my house because, oh my gosh. Oh. That's why I have this red blanket on. Okay, guys. Turn the burger. And let me show you that. Now this is brand new. And I found it at I found it at Ross. The other one was at Ross too. The box I threw away. Okay, bye guys. See you later. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Okay, bye guys. Game show out. Game show